Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing to our class on assembly. In our previous class, we study about the tool palettes, the tab inside tool palettes, how to create, if you want to create a new tab for yourself, so you can create, and then we study about the assembly and the basic tab here inside this tool palettes. The next tab is lane. Lane is as compared to the other very important tab here inside this, and there are several type of lane. Mostly this general fabric structure, we are using this because this supporting super elevation, and also this one sometime for the if the road is the carriageway is changing, the width of the carriageway is not the normal. Normal mean transition. If the width from one place to other place, it's changing by station to station by different. So we are using this taper median, this taper lane from taper median. So it's extend with the is the road width extended. It's also extended with the road. This the other. Normally we are using this general paper structure, but inside this all, if I go suppose for this, if I click here and go to help, this saying about here the width, the shift width, the edge of the edge slope, and this shift width like as standard we have 20 cm here in every typical cross section, and after that this input parameter all dimension in meter, and this the slope, the side, the width, the shift width already it's defined here. From the shape you will know the slope, direction, depth, anything from here. Target parameter, this width and edge elevation, and this output parameter for side, top width, bottom width. Like you can study here behavior. This assembly built as a skeletal assembly that let you the various parameter for various parameter. Layout operation. These are combined with point, link, and shape. These are the point. This the links. The corner are the points. The line are the links, and shape inside S1 is the shapes. So these are telling us about the composition of how this lane is composed. So from here you will know where you must put the value by default value. It's saying about the default value, and also from here you can target to specify corridor target. In this you can specify the corridor target. What is mean by specify corridor target? If I go here in the cross section, suppose we have some cross section here, so it's the profile like this. So from here, from the lane or from other, we can specify the target like okay. So this the lane, then the next is the shoulder. This most important are this one, the third one, and the lane from taper median 1 and taper median 2. If you go to click here and go to help inside this one, what is the difference between this? If you your lane the width is varies, so you can select a target for its suppose from the median attach point here, so you can like it's explaining if your alignment the median, if your median is going like this, so it can target the width of the alignment or feature line or any polyline, you can target that line, and the width will be extended as per the target. This is the case 1, the case 2 here, and the case 3 here. It's extended with this target like here. So the width from here, you will know about this the things that is given in the inside this. If you will you open this, you click here, these things open here, the detail below here, the rest of the thing are explaining this by default 3.6 meter super elevation. If you are super elevation, select here from the by default. So by default, when anything by default, they are showing here from the parameter. It's saying that by default these things are there. Already you can change numeric value like this. And the parameter median edge you can lane width outside elevation. So target parameter, you can use this thing as a target parameter. So before using anything, you must study about this thing, so it is your work. When you are working, then you understand, you can target anything by this. So these two, the one is simple lane, it's not you can also target from the first one, but this the taper lane is this for the normal. You should use this for the normal width, and this for the varies width. If your lane width is varies, so you must use these two. There is, and if there is another one, mean these two have some difference between. So you can see the slope between the slope this one and this one. There is a slope difference between. So in which case you need anyone, this one or the first one you can use for the varies. Suppose what I mean, this your lane, the lane width. So if your lane width is varying with the station or with the distance, so you can use this lane. These are the one lane, and this lane, and the other lane like we are using, you can use this lane. Okay, the shoulder is the part, which part? Okay, I will show you in there is section. Okay, in this section there is no shoulder, there is one part. So shoulder is like here or like this one, like you can see here, this is the shoulder part. So if there is anything you can use for the shoulder, they are the separate lane, or you can use here. So there is no shoulder like this showing here, but in normal, mostly typical section, we are using shoulder. So you can show this is shoulder extend all, extended subbase, multi-layer, multi-varying widths, multi-surface. Like you can use, before using you should go to the help and study about it, what is saying, the shoulder width, the daylight, like here parameter, and also by default what are there the values, the composition of the here. You can, so it easy for you then while you are using. The next thing is the median. So median is very important as we when we create center on the both side, and always there is in the main road or the highways there is center median, which we have car center median or median. So these are for different uses. Median difference, we are using this median difference, where there you can decrease this value ditch width, you can increase or decrease the slope 1, slope 2, this and from the both side, and this slope 1 and this slope 2, there are the mark point, and this one the width. When we will use this, you will understand why they give mark point here, and then the ditch. Normally it's like a big here, they are meeting here, so from the ditch width you can increase or decrease the value of this ditch width. So it's looking like this. You can shift this by from the center line, if your center is not on the median, so you can adjust this So normally we are using this, but there are median flush with barrier. So if you go to help, before using we don't know what inside this. Uh, when we go inside this, it's saying the attachment. The attachment point is the center of the median, and the finished grade surface. This is the finished grade surface. So this is the attachment point. And input parameter. Uh, this is the input parameter. Left side, right side. Include barrier. You can adjust the values. It's given FE and D. You can adjust the height of the New Jersey barrier regarding to your drawing, and then there is contour slope across median, the slope uh, break at the center line. Like there are things point, link, and shape code. These are the point and shape code, and this the point with composite. From this point, this when we will go to the sub-assembly composer, you will know how this point came from, where this point came. So uh, if I create assembly anything here, and I click here and I right here, you can see the insertion point. It's the median. And both the left side, right side. When you click here, you can. If you did not from the beginning, you did not change from the here from the parameter. The A, B, C, D, E, F already you saw there. So this the New Jersey dimension. You can adjust the New Jersey dimension. So like this, you can before using, you must know the help about this any median shoulder length you are using. So before if you study this help, it's better for using. The next thing is if I remove this one, the median raise constant slope, and with the crown, the median with crown. Suppose here, as we saw there is a median with the crown. The other one was straight. So like this, the behavior is also there. There is behavior. It's saying about how it will behave, the super elevation, axis of the rotation, everything here. So inside here, you must study these things before using, so you will understand easily. Okay, the next thing is curve. Curves are we are using at the end of the main this carriageway. When it's in, there are curve, and then is the footpath or the verge here. What are the size from your typical? You will know the upstandard curve type 1. So for type 1, you must go your construction drawing or typical section, and there will be the detail. So before urban curve guide general, if I want to use this, I must go there, and it's saying all about inside this the plane, this D, F, G, C, anything. So suppose I did not open this help, and directly I attach this to somewhere else. Okay, I will attach to anywhere at the end of this here. So when I insert here and I did not I must attach this to the new assembly, because already created assembly, we created cross section from that, and after that we calculate the quantities, uh, this corridor and many things. So this assembly involves and many things. That's why it's calculating again everything is so 3D dynamic. So when you change something, it's changing in cross section and value calculation in corridor. So that's why it's take time to calculate. Okay, I stopped the video because it was hang. Because this assembly used in this the corridor cross section, and then we draw here the cross section. So when you change one assembly, again it's starting calculating corridors cross section. So suppose I did not read the help, and I came here and I click here. So now when you click here and go to this properties here, you don't know about this what is A, B, C, D. You don't know. You will change here and then you will check here. So better from here, from the before or from here. This sub-assembly help. Go here and first check what is A, what is B, what is D, what is the what thing I'm using. So it's better side the insertion point, the the gutter slope, the gutter method, like it's explaining everything. A depth of the gutter at the but from here you will hardly understand, but from the picture here the drawing you understand easily this A, this B. So you then you can easily correct the dimension according to your drawing. Okay, so this was the curves tab in the tool palettes. So there are many video